Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the candle body size indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, I'm going to be doing the explanation here on the MT4 terminal, but it doesn't matter whether you're using the MT4 platform or the MT5 platform. You can download the indicator for your platform. Down there in the description you're going to see the link, okay, for each version. Okay, the MT4 version and the MT5 version, the links are going to be in the description. Okay, so now let us add the indicator to the chart, the candle body size indicator. Remember that after downloading the indicator, you have to go add it to your indicators folder, all right, so that it can reflect in your navigator after you must have refreshed it or restarted your terminal. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and as for the input settings, you can modify it according to your taste. Here we have the font size, the color for the bulls and the color for the bears, and then we also have the font name. Okay, you can edit those according to your taste. Basically, this is an informative candle. Informative indicator, sorry. This is an informative indicator, okay? The candle body size indicator is designed to measure and highlight candle body strength, helping you to spot momentum shifts, trend conviction, volatility changes, breakout conditions and all of that, right? So when you look at your candle or the chart, basically when you look at your chart, you will notice all these numbers, right? So the numbers are helping you to, at a glance, in one side, you're able to know which candles are stronger. You will notice that the higher the number, the higher the value, right? The bigger the number, the stronger the candle. It's as easy as that. The smaller the number, the weaker the candle. So you notice that candles with longer bodies, have bigger numbers, right? While candles with smaller bodies have smaller numbers. It doesn't matter whether the candle has long wicks. Okay, the reference is the body and not the wick. So that is the reason why, despite how long this candle was, the body is what translated into this value being 3. Okay, the bodies of the candles are what is being read. So this candle is a weak candle, right? So that's why it has 3 as the value compared to this that has 122, because the body is quite long. So you will notice that the lengths of the candles are what determine the values that are being imprinted on them. Okay, so you can use that to know the momentum that is prevailing at the time, right? If you are a trader that pays attention to candle length, momentum per candle, then this indicator might come in quite handy for you. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.